try it, like it, create it. And today I am doing an unboxing for my kit from Tres Jolie Kit Club. And I'm not sure if you've ever heard of them or not. Here is the information. They do a variety of different boxes, and this is the one that I have in front of me, and I will just go through it and show you what came in the box. Now, June is their anniversary month, and so this is a special box for their anniversary, for their celebration. So what came in the box were these Prima flowers, and it looks like there's 6 in here, and you probably can't see, but there's also a leaf hiding back underneath the flowers. So it says there's 9 pieces in here. So I'm assuming since there's 6 flowers, there are 3 leaves hiding in the package. So let's just take a look. Yeah, there's a stem with 3 flowers, or 3 leaves in the back of the flowers. And these are in neutral colors. There is this cute little book. It's a pocket album in ivory from Graphics 45, and this is for holding ATC tags. I don't know if you're familiar with ATCs. Those are artist trading cards, and I'll be talking a little bit more about that later. But what comes in here are 4 double-sided peekaboo pocket pages, also included 4 cardstock tags. So it comes ready with ATC tags inside already for you to use. The next thing we're going to take a look at are these little metal butterflies. There's 4 jewelry parts, but of course you could use them for mixed media as well. And this is from, it says steampunk, and it's solid oak ink. And so we've got the 4 butterfly charms in the different metal colors. Then there are these, which I'm going to say, I don't know, they're like, I think plaster, maybe, but they are different clock images. Let me hold them up close so you can see them. They have, you know, a significant thickness to them, and so those would be really interesting for mixed media. Then we have this packet of paper from Stamperia. It's called Sir Vagabond, and this is an 8-inch by 8-inch packet of double-sided sheets, and they are acid-free, and they of course have the kind of steampunk look to them. And then finally the chipboard pieces that Tres Jolie cut, and so we have a variety here. It looks like 7 different gears. So you could stack them, you could lay them out in different design patterns. This one would be a nice background to one that you would color differently and maybe stack on top, or even stagger the 2 together, something like that. So follow along with me as I create using these materials, and I will show you some different ATC cards that I will make from this package.